Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Sequoia versus Sienna. We'll explore how these two popular Toyota vehicles stack up against each other. We'll look at their distinct features, from engine power and towing capacity to interior space and fuel economy. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which model aligns best with your lifestyle and family requirements. The Toyota Sequoia is a robust full-size SUV, perfect for those seeking power and adventure. It boasts an iForce MAX hybrid V6 engine, delivering an impressive 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. This makes it a strong contender for towing, with a maximum capacity of 520 pounds. If you need to haul a boat or tackle rugged terrain, the Sequoia's capability truly shines. Conversely, the Toyota Sienna is a hybrid minivan designed with family comfort and efficiency in mind. Its hybrid powertrain provides 245 horsepower and an excellent combined fuel economy of up to 36 miles per gallon. With flexible seating for up to 8 passengers and generous cargo space, the Sienna is ideal for daily commutes, long road trips, and urban family life. Ultimately, your choice between the Sequoia and Sienna depends on your priorities. If you need serious towing power, off-road capability, and a commanding presence, the Sequoia is your match. For superior fuel efficiency, passenger comfort, and versatile cargo solutions for family life, the Sienna is the clear winner. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.